graduates to be entrepreneurs. More than 50% of the students' grade is based on their reporting and interaction in the class. So interaction means reporting, and then when it's not report, questioning the reporters for clarification, not just for asking questions per se, but clarification, additional insight, additional information, etc. And then,
I have a little knowledge about business. I took up law. But once I got into the field, once I practiced the real business, it's not enough. You have to have that knowledge. You have to have that additional degree, so to speak. So that you can be competitive, not only among the other lawyers, but also among the professionals.
so I am inviting all students or graduates, whether you are from business school or from any field, but to enroll in the Xavier University's MBA program under the SPM.